Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions: while n is a positive integer, can you prove n power 5 minus n is divisible by 10? In this video, we will share that it is true. Would you please to prove it? Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. N is positive integers. N power 5 minus n is divisible by 10. Let's check from small numbers. N equal to 1, the result is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. While n equal to 2, then 2 power 5 minus 2 equal to 32 minus 2 equal to 30, divisible by 10. N equal to 3, 3 power 5 minus 3 equal to 243 minus 3 equal to 240, divisible by 10. N equal to 4, then 4 power 5 minus 4 equal to 1020, divisible by 10. Check if n equal to 7, then 7 power 5 minus 7 equal to 16800, divisible by 10. It seems true, but how to prove that? Okay, here is our approach. Try to factorize n power 5 minus n. It equal to n times bracket n power 4 minus 1 bracket. N power 4 minus 1 equal to quantity n squared minus 1 times quantity n squared plus 1. Then quantity n squared minus 1 equal to quantity n minus 1 times quantity n plus 1. After that, adjust the item sequence as quantity n minus 1 times n times quantity n plus 1 times quantity n squared plus 1. n minus 1, n plus 1 are continuous numbers. It will divisible by 2. For example, the continuous numbers 1 times 2 times 3, or 2 times 3 times 4, or 3 times 4 times 5, all of them 2 is the factor. Our question is to prove divisible by 10. 10 equal to 2 times 5. We are focused on find the factor 5 in it. List the numbers from 1, 2, 3, to A90. n minus 1, n plus 1 are the continuous numbers. Then the last digit of numbers 4, 5, 6, you can find the factor 5. And the other group with 0, the last digit with 0, 9, and 1, you can find the factor 5 too. Then the last digit for 2, 3, 7, and 8, find the factor 5. Let's check the items n squared plus 1. The last digit is 2. 2 squared equal to 4, plus 1 equal to 5. Factor 5. Last digit 3. 3 squared equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Last digit 7. 7 squared equal to 49. Last digit 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Last digit 8. 8 squared equal to 64. Last digit 4 plus 1 equal to 5. All the last digit numbers 2, 3, 7, and 8, we can find the factor 5. So we prove n power 5 minus n can be divisible by 10. And another approach, back to the factorized result, quantity n minus 1 times n times quantity n plus 1 times quantity n squared plus 1. Here is a trick. Add minus 5 and plus 5 to the quantity n squared plus 1. Then it equal to quantity n plus 1 times n times quantity n plus 1 times quantity n squared minus 4 plus 5. We treat n squared minus 4 as one item and 5 is another item in the last quantity. Then develop it as n minus 1 times n plus 1 times quantity n squared minus 4 plus n minus 1 times n plus 1 times 5. The second item is divisible by 10. It has the factor 2 and 5. Now we have to find the factor 10 in the first items. Quantity n squared minus 4 equal to quantity n minus 2 times quantity n plus 2. Then adjust the item sequence as n minus 2 times n minus 1 times n plus 1 times n plus 2. It is the continuous numbers. After that, list the last digit numbers as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 0, 1, 2. Then the continuous number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 can be divisible by 5 and 2. Also, the last digit item 8, 9, 0, 1, 2 can be divisible by 5 and 2. All are divisible by 10. That's the result. Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.